Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download PayPal app. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open Google Play Store or App Store. There you can see at the bottom search icon, tap on it. There search for PayPal. Here you can see the option. Tap on install. Then after, PayPal is a transaction app in which the transactions of money is done. You can also earn money through using PayPal. You can use it while playing games and games for buying your tools, avatars, and many more. Here you can see how they use it. Here we have another option as well. You can use PayPal business also if you are doing it for a business purpose. If you are using it for personal, then download PayPal only. Like this, you can see our PayPal app has been downloaded, so make sure then after downloading, tap on open and you can easily use it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.